This is a Hollowgill Barn coffee machine. It's dead simple to use. First thing, you need to open it and pull that out, hinges back, and check whether it's got coffee, so coffee beans in here. And the water reservoir in here. Dead easy to fill up and replace back. Also in there, you've got a milk container and that connects up as shown. So if you put milk in there, it will automatically make your cappuccinos and your lattes. Remember to empty that at the end of the day, otherwise the milk will go off overnight. This is the tray that will need emptying every so often and cleaning, the drip tray, and also where the coffee grounds come down. That will also need to be emptied and cleaned. That can be shut. Simply turns on by pressing that button there. Once it has turned on, it will go through an automatic rinse cycle as it does when it finishes. So make sure you've got a cup underneath, otherwise you'll be forever changing the drip tray. So once that has rinsed through, we can then move on to the controls and how you make your coffee. Let's give that a bit of time. You've got a simple cursor here, and this cursor basically moves you through the different options that you've got. So you can see it's rinsing there, not much water actually comes through, but it will do that at the start and it will do that at the end. And once completed, we're ready to go. You don't need to worry about any of these buttons here. So the simplest thing is just to scroll it through the menu. There's a normal coffee, so that's just a black coffee. That's a cappuccino, obviously, and that's a latte. So the three ones you're most likely to use is the latte, the cappuccino, and the coffee, although you may want an espresso or a ristretto. They have been set for the type of coffee and for the size, mostly for the mugs that we've got, but you can go down into those menus if you wish. But the easiest thing to do is just a coffee, cappuccino, or a latte. Once you've got it on the right one, you then simply press the play button, which will go red while it's running through its cycle. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.